Hello everyone, welcome to Hazel's Emporium. So for today's video everyone, I am cooking for dinner. We are going to visit LA, Bonbon's best friend. So I prepared this last night. I boiled with some ingredients and put it in the freezer and fry it. That's one of the secret to get this more crispier. We call this back home lechon kawali. Okay, and I also prepare a kamote or sweet potato. Instead of rice, I would like to have this instead of rice. Yeah, that is kamote back home. We call that. This is a sweet potato in English. Okay, so that's very quick, easy to cook, right? So I only got 4 pieces. That was the only last 4 pieces in no frills. So I was lucky though. Yeah, and I am also preparing for pancit, another carbs, of course. So here are some of the ingredients: carrots, cabbage, onion, garlic, bell pepper, and I have the chicken liver, and I have the pork. It's just tasty though to mix pork and chicken for me, my own opinion. All right, so I have that fry, just not super overcook. Okay, so it won't get like a gummy. So the liver, of course, chicken liver, and with the garlic, and add on to the onion. Yeah, a lot of onion. I do love that. Lots of ingredients or condiments or spices. And then I am mixing the carrots to this. I know it will be delicious, I'm sure. Yeah, my masterpiece. So a mix of cabbage and all of the vegetable, and I put just a little bit of soy sauce. I'm not putting any salt, and I have oyster sauce and celery, and I use the rice noodles, and yeah, so voila, that looks delicious, and it was delicious though, it really was. So yeah, we bring this to Ellie's place, Bonbon's best friend. I have this, we have that. Ate Eva prepared biko, and that was for the whole entire. And so that was more than enough for us. I would like to say thank you for watching, everyone, and welcome to the world, Kira BP Girl. Thank you.